If you are wondering if we have reverse charging available on the Xiaomi 15T Pro, then the answer is yes. On Xiaomi 15T Pro, we can charge other devices with a USB cable or wirelessly as well. So in the case of wireless power sharing, we need to go to settings, over here find battery settings, and then proceed to charging options. And over here we have reverse wireless charging. So when this option is enabled, you can place other devices on the back of the phone and you should be able to charge them. Of course, keep in mind that other devices should have wireless charging available as well. If the other device cannot be charged wirelessly, then of course it won't work for that other device. And also we have this battery limit as well. So if your battery drops to the select percentage over here, then in this case the reverse wireless charging will be deactivated automatically. Now, the wired method. So of course we need to use a USB cable that we can that allows us to connect our phone to another device. In my case, I have Xiaomi 15T, so pretty much the same, well, similar device. But I'm gonna connect it with the cable, and as you can see, we are actually charging our Xiaomi 15T Pro. And usually, the phone with a smaller battery percentage will be charged. And so, for example, if I have only 35% on my Xiaomi 15T Pro, then this phone will be charged. But if I had more, I would charge the other device instead. And I can also try to, to replug the cable or something to make it work. But oh, it actually works. So maybe that's actually not the case. So in case you actually want to charge the other device, then you might also need to unplug and plug the cable right back into the phone. We can also check the notification in order to see if there's the notification about the connection. So we can tap over here in order to see if there's anything that we can do, but it seems that no, we cannot really do anything with this. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna also check battery settings just in case, but I believe there's nothing in here that we can use to, for example, decide which phone will be actually charged. I'm not sure why this was not implemented. It should be, but as you can see, technically it is possible to charge other devices using the USB cable as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.